Hello everybody, welcome back. Deep-Flow Motion, new weekend. It's a little bit better, the weather. At least it's dry and sunny. Still cold, but well, it doesn't rain, it doesn't snow. It's not anymore all these things how it was the entire last week, which oh my god, in top of the fact it was cold, to be even wet, you feel that cold more, believe me, more. Anyway, this weekend I want to talk about how to choose your bike, your right bike. So first of all, guys, you need to take account of few big steps before to buy your bike, and let me tell you why. Because you need to realize when you will buy that bike, you will ride, and if you won't be comfortable on and it won't be safe enough for you to ride that bike, it doesn't work, even if you like it or not. So stay on, grab a piece of paper, grab a pen, because I will tell you how to buy and how to choose your right bike for you. Before to start everything, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell like this, you will be notified when I will post a new video, and give a like. So first of all, you need to decide what type of bike would you like. Would you like a sport one like Sparky? Would you like an enduro? Would you like a touring? It depends on what you're looking for with your style of riding, but we will go there too. So after you decide what type of bike would you like, you need to look on what manufacturers you like. Honda, Suzuki, KTM, there are so many. So choose, put on your list. And after you've done these two steps, choosing what type of bike would you like, what manufacturer would you like, you need to go to try them. You need to go to sit on them and to ride them. And why you need to do that? This is a key element in choosing your right bike, because again, I'm coming and I'm telling you, remember, you will ride that bike and you want to feel comfortable. For example, how I said before, Sparky for me is just the right one. Just, she's there on the border. How you know I'm a tall person, I'm 6.1, so you need to take account how tall you are when you choose a bike. That's why I'm saying you need to go to jump on that bike. You need to try. Just go on the showroom, sit on it for 15 minutes, then go outside, have a ride. If you can't do that, ask a friend if you can ride his bike. But be careful, because I think you need to be insured in that bike in case of something, if you go out on the roads. The idea is you need to try the bike. You can't buy a bike just, oh yeah, I ride it for 15 minutes before to buy it. It was, oh, I feel so nice. It feels so nice. I think this is the right bike. Oh well, let me tell you something. You think, but you don't know 100% if that is the right bike, because you ride it 15, half hour, 1 hour maximum. But when you go for a ride, even if you're not going for a long one, which, I don't know, let's say 100 miles, 200 miles, yeah? You go around of your city. Still, that ride, it will be longer than 1 hour. I don't think you will buy a bike just to ride for, I don't know, 5 miles, and then you stop for a break, and then again you go 5 miles. No, it doesn't work like this. Or at least in my head it doesn't. Anyway, try it. Try the bike, go on it, see how you feel, how comfortable it is, how safe it is to ride that bike. Because before I bought Sparky, I ride a YZF for a week, I think, something like that. But I've been for rides of 2-3 hours, and after a break again 2-3 hours and a break, and believe me, I feel all right, I feel comfortable on it. My back, it didn't hurt, and my position on the bike is just there. So my knees, they are not very high, because if they will be very high, you need to take count of all this. If your knees, they will be too high, that means you will struggle when you change the gear or when you brake. That's why I'm saying, always jump on the bike right there, and after that decide. So after you're doing all this, you will know exactly, and you can't fail. You can't fail to buy that bike. So this is the key to buy the right bike for you guys. It's very simple, it's logic, it's common sense. You need to try, and you need to have a list. Okay, what bike I like, what style do I like, what type of bikes I like, what bike it will suit me better on my style, on my lifestyle, on my riding style. I like speed, I like, I don't know, to sit down comfortable and enjoy the view. Do I like to go on the fields? Do I like to go? So you need to take account of everything what I told you before. Thank you very much guys, because you've been with me until in the end of this video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give a like, ring the bell like this. You will be notified every Sunday when I will post a new video. And until next time, take care, stay safe, be crazy, but ride safe. See you later.